Hello viewers, today for the initial checkout of the Holmes HACP9 6-inch, I believe, clip table desk fan, which I believe my mom found it for me at the well when she went there. I already plugged in the plug-in, so let's go ahead and see if this thing will run on low. I'm starting to feel a gentle breeze. This is the Holmes HACP9, and it is relatively quiet, as you can see here. Anyway, here's the clip that was shown at the beginning. So let's go ahead and turn it right there. Okay, now since I already started it off on low, now let's turn it on to high. This is for the Jordan U, the XY Spade, which is the H himself, the Nick's World, which is the Nick himself, and of course the Christopher, which is the Christopher Winston himself, and of course the Lamont, because he likes collecting fans, and I know this one will pretty much mean the same thing to him. The only problem with this fan, and I know I have not been saying this, but this fan was made in the early 2000s, I had to guess, because it was made in 2000. Anyways, let's go ahead and turn it off, so the spin down time will be pretty quick, I believe. Yep, it is spinning down pretty quickly. I wonder what the problem could be with the oscillation, though. The only problem with the oscillation is that the thing gets so overheated. Anyways, let's go ahead and unclip the fan, and let's try to get a startup sound going on. Let's start off this thing right here on the low. Not sure what type of motor it is, but this might be a pole shaded motor. Okay, now let's turn it on to high. Pretty neat sounding fan without the oscillation on. Anyway, this one was made in October 2001, and of course here is the name of the Holmes HACP9 electric fan, which was unfortunately made in China, but was serviced in the USA. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, of course, turn the oscillation on and see what happens with the fan. It might produce some popping noises, but that could be because of the problem with the oscillation. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, of course, turn it on and see what it does. Steadily making popping noises. That needs to stop. Okay, now let's turn it on high. And it ain't gonna work on high, so of course. Okay, well, I'll have to get this one oiled. I have to get some oil from the local department stores that are nearby me. Of course, I have to get some oil, like say some WD-40 oil. And of course, I'm gonna probably try to, I need to try to see if I can get the front guard to come loose to see what the problem is inside the oscillation. So we're going to do that real quick and take a look at what is causing the problem with the oscillation. So what we need to do here is we need to unplug it. And then, of course, we need to, of course, look down at the fan itself. I don't want the camera corner. Okay, so here we go. Here's the guard. I can try to take it off. Yeah, I can try to take the front guard of the fan off and see what the problem is with the motor. Okay. Alright, so I just pulled the front guard off. Now I need to figure out how to pull the blade apart. Okay, so I pulled the blade apart. And they're relatively dirty. Need to get them cleaned. Okay, and then I need to go ahead and... Okay. So the unfortunate thing is... Yep. And yep, I am actually trying to get the... Okay. I see what the problem is. One of the things came loose. And that is one of the bolts. Okay, so now I need to see what is the problem here. Need to see what the problem here is with the oscillation. But other than that, I need to try to take the back guard of it off without causing it to break. I probably might have to fix this one later on. Since, of course... Oh no. That is not good. Let me go ahead and... Whoa! Okay, well, we'll have to do this one another time. Actually, we already done the checkout of the video. It's just right now. And then, of course, yep, it is working. Of course, the only problem is with the oscillation. The blades need to get cleaned. Of course. Oh, and by the way, not sure what the name of it is. Okay, so this is a pole shaded motor. And this is motor Super F6-12TS with the Class A at 120 volts AC power. And of course I need to get the screws. I need to get the screwdrivers and try to get the oil inside of each fan fixed. This would be my first fan trying to get fixed, but I'm gonna have to clean up the blades real quick, and I need to put the blades back in. Okay, so they are doing pretty well, and now I need to put the front guard back on the fan. It should be plugged back in. I was just checking to see what the problem is with the oscillation, but it turns out that it ain't gonna do nothing. I'll have to wait on the fixing of the oscillation problem until the next time I record a video on this fan. But anyway, that was it for this video. This is the Aaron speaking. May God bless every one of you.